back at it again.
Yeah.
Only Spirit Day. What's up, guys? As always, hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Today's video is pretty simple, but it was really fun. If you guys haven't checked out the first Spirit Week video, make sure to check it out. We are also on the road to 850 subs, so if you guys haven't subbed yet, make sure to do so. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a really quick intro before the vid. Make sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel. We usually do a lot of sneaker content, but every so often we put out some fun videos like this. So yeah, let's waste no time and dive right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
Yeah.
Only Spirit Day W's. Oh crap. Hey.
It's gonna get so dirty.
Let's go. Man, where am I gonna put it? There's nowhere to put it in the person. I don't know, but we've made it in. It's so big.
Does it look like pumped up like that?
Yeah.
The stuffing?
Yeah. How's first period? Where'd you put it?
Good. I just put it on the floor.
Yeah. Dang, that is great. Nobody else really brought one.
Like a bunch of people like took pictures.
Yeah, we gotta get on the sector Instagram. Man, going 2 for 2. We're going 2 for 2. Only W's, bro.
The class again.
In the back of class?
Yeah.
Bro, the doors. You got the door?
No, you open it. You gotta Go right.
Go right. This door?
No. No, keep it.
Okay, I'll see you after. Bro. I can see this guy waiting. Bro. Is Miss Fortune not here?
I think she is.
Man.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks like perfectly stuffed.
Bro.
Wait,
No, yeah. I think it's a whole bed. So dumb. Damn. Dang. That's good it didn't get dirty.
Huh?
It didn't get dirty.
I got a little mark.
Yeah. Look how big it is. You can see it all the way from here. He's having someone help him. And just like that, Spirit Day is done. But now we gotta get it into the car. Oh my gosh.
Can you open the trunk?
Yeah.
Close it.